Letter to the Headmaster for leave application. To the Headmaster, Satyanarayana Nodal High School Mukuna, Kemjar. Through the class teacher, class X, section B, Sir, I am Abhijit Naik of class X, section B. I beg to state that my sister is going to marry in the next week. I have to attend her marriage function from 27th January 2022, so I cannot attend my class. Therefore, I request you to be kind enough to grant me leave for 5 days from 27 to 31 January. From this act, your kindness, I shall ever remain grateful to you. Your faithfully, Abhijit Naik, student of class IX, section B, Satyanarayana Nodal High School, Mukuna, Kendujhar, date 09/05/2020, place Bauripadda. Please subscribe my channel.